Good afternoon all. Education is an important part of life for many reasons. It helps us gain knowledge, develop skills and understand the world around us. In the Bible, Proverbs chapter 4 verses 7 says that the beginning of wisdom is this: get wisdom though it cost all you have. Get understanding. This verse speaks volumes about the importance of prioritizing wisdom. It urges us to invest everything we possess to gain understanding. In doing so, we see that wisdom is more valuable than material wealth. Acquiring wisdom enriches our lives beyond any financial investment we can take. Thank you.
The Quran says about the education is, read in the name of your Lord who created man from clinging substance. Read, and your Lord is the most generous, who taught by the pen, taught man what we did not know. These verses are from the Quran and were the first revelation emphasizing the importance of knowledge, learning and divine guidance. Thank you.
On this farewell day, I would like to remember the teaching of Bhagavad Gita. In this word, there is nothing as purifying as divine. One who has attained purity of mind through prolonged practice of yoga, those whose have faith is deep, who have practiced controlling their mind and senses, attain divine knowledge. Approaching a spiritual master, learn the truth by approaching him, inquire from him with humility and render service to him.
Your words were not just advice but a source of strength and hope for our seniors.
Get ready to relive the happy and funny moment of school life. To present this movement in a creative way, we invite the boys of grade 8 and 9 to come to stage. Let us welcome them with a good round of applause.
प्रेशर कुकर जैसे सर की बच जाए ना सीटी, तब तक मार रट्टा मार हो, पटक पटक के सर गिरा दे नॉलेज की दीवार। रट्टा मार चढ़ जाए जो बुखार कॉफी से तू उतार, खिस खिस के भेजा कर ले तेज धार यार। रट्टा मार ओ रट्टा मार, जोर का झटका है जोरों से लगा। तेरा ध्यान किधर है ये तेरा हीरो इधर है, तेरा ध्यान किधर है ये तेरा हीरो इधर है, तो पलट।
Now it's exam time.
जिया धड़क धड़क जिया धड़क धड़क जिया धड़क धड़क जाए।
अजीब दास्तां है, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी, न वो समझ सके न हम।
When you didn't study for exam.
I don't know what to do, I don't know what to do, तौबा आगे क्या करूं।
When an intelligent boy enters in exam hall.
तुमने मारी एंट्री यार, दिल में बजी घंटियां रे टंग।
When your friend ignores you in the exam. When your friend speaks too loud. सेकंड का आंसर बता ना. सेकंड का आंसर क्या?
बोलना हके हके, बोलना हके हके, होंठ से हके हके, बोलना हके.
When there is another smart boy in the class.
अल्लाह बचाए मेरी जान, ये रसिया गुंडों में फंस गई. अल्लाह बचाए तेरी जान, ये रसिया गुंडों में फंस गई.
When your friend leaves exam before you.
भुला देना मुझे, है अलविदा तुझे, तुझे जीना है मेरे बिना.
When all your friends cheat as a team.
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं.
मिले हो तुम हमको बड़े नसीबों से, चुराया है मैंने किस्मत की लकीरों से. छोड़ दिया जाए, बोल तेरे साथ क्या किया जाए, मार दिया जाए. छोटा बच्चा जान के ना कोई आंख दिखाना रे. मुझको राणा जी माफ करना, गलती मारे से हो गई. मुझको राणा जी माफ करना, गलती मारे से हो गई.
अच्छा चलता हूँ दुआओं में याद रखना, मेरे जिक्र का जुबां पे स्वाद रखना.
नहीं नहीं अभी नहीं, अभी करो इंतजार.
नहीं नहीं कभी नहीं, मैं हूँ बेतरार.
Now it's result time. रिजल्ट के अनुसार आप सभी पास हो चुके हो.
आज मैं ऊपर आसमां नीचे, आज मैं आगे जमाना है पीछे. आज मैं ऊपर आसमां नीचे, आज मैं आगे जमाना है पीछे.
It was a truly a fun-filled and hilarious performance.
Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
And a very warm good afternoon to teachers also. I really don't know what kind of emotions you have. I think it is a mixed emotion. We also have a similar emotion. We are happy that we have trained you enough and we have given you wings to fly high. But at the same time, we are sad also. The kind of officially today is the last day for you in the school, but no doubt you will be coming for something or the other later also. But we are confident enough that whatever we have to deliver, we have delivered it effectively. N number of times I have told in the class and today also I am telling, there is no shortcut in life. Success comes to the people who are hardworking, sincere and honest. Okay, always we say, whenever we have to climb slowly. If you try to climb vertically upward, there is always chance that we fall down. So till today, you are treated like children. You are guarded for each and everything. Many times we may be little harsh with you. That is only out of concern and the love and affection which we have. We tried our best to put you people on track. And after this, you will be moving to a bigger world which is not really as safe as your school. It is very easy to make a mistake, but it is very difficult to erase it. You people should learn how to guard yourself. See, every individual will have a self-respect, and it is your responsibility to guard your self-respect. Don't expect that your college teachers are there with you always. Many of your college teachers may not know your names also. Here we know you by your names, by your nature, by your mood, everything we know. So all our teachers in Kannada, they'll say no chatka. So like that we know each and everything about you. So accordingly we have guided you. Some of you are doing very well, some of you are doing not so well. It is because of the difference in efforts by you people. So all of us together, we wish you a very, very bright future. But keep in mind that your parents' name and your school name is very important. And things will not come in a day. It will take years and months together. So plan something very big for you people. Okay. At the same time, how education and your marks card is important. In a similar manner, your conduct also is very important. So keep yourself safe in this bigger world. So at this point of time, we like to wish you a good luck and a very, very bright future for all of you. Officially, we are saying this as a send-off, but always our doors are open for you people. Any point of time, you people can walk in, and if you want any kind of guidance, you can feel free to talk to us and take the guidance. So select the college not because that college your friends are going and that college has a swimming pool and that college will conduct a dance competition and they have a big football ground. You are to take a very important decision, and this is a very important decision in your life. Whatever decision you are taking today, the rest of your life will be on that decision. It has to work out. So take a wise decision. While taking a decision, if you require any help, feel free to contact us for that. At the same time, whatever little time remaining, now the days are remaining, not months and weeks, only days are remaining. So study well in this days remaining, and 10 standard marks card is a very, very important document in your life. There are many companies now also, they want to see the 10 standard marks card. One such company is Infosys. Infosys will definitely ask for your 10 standard marks card. They want to know what kind of student you were when you were in school. Okay, this is a very important document. So put lot of efforts for the remaining time, whatever you have. May God bless you all with a very bright future. Let God take care of you all. Okay, be safe. Stay back at home. I just came to know that there are certain plans to go out today. Okay, it's left to your parents. We are not coming in between. But your safety is always very important to us. Take care of yourself. Good luck once again. On behalf of all the teachers. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Every classroom, every bell, and every friendship holds a memory. We invite our students to come on the stage.
पुरानी यादों पर बेहद मुस्कुराते हैं। चलो आज आपको स्कूल का सफर करवाते हैं। वो दिन याद है जब हम पहली बार स्कूल जाते हैं? बस्ते में सिर्फ एक कॉपी मगर आंखों में आंसू का सैलाब लेकर जाते हैं। घर की कितनी याद आती है पर वक्त के साथ आदत बन जाती है। दोस्ती का मतलब पता नहीं होता पर दोस्त बन जाते हैं।
I'll be alright, I'll be alright, I'll be alright. तू है तो टेढ़ी मेरी राहें, उल्टी पुल्टी बातें सीधी लगती है। तू है तो
अब घर में बोरिंग लगता था और स्कूल का इंतजार रहता था। और क्यों ना रहे भला, ये वो जगह है जहाँ हमने दोस्ती करना सीखा था।
जिद्दी है हम नहीं मानेंगे, करते ही जाएंगे बदमाशियां। कह दो ये जमाने वालों से, न ये छीने हमसे आजादियां। है दिल में जो कहना है जैसे तैसे ही रहना है। ओ एक जिंदगी है, ज्यादा नहीं पर थोड़ा तो बिगड़ेंगे। हम नहीं सुधरेंगे, हम नहीं सुधरेंगे, थोड़ा और बिगड़ेंगे। हम नहीं सुधरेंगे, हम नहीं सुधरेंगे, हम नहीं सुधरेंगे, थोड़ा और बिगड़ेंगे। हम नहीं सुधरेंगे।
आज भी तो कितना सही दिन है, सब एक साथ है और अंदर एक अलग ही फील है। पर कल शायद सब अलग हो जाएंगे, लेकिन फिर भी दिन बाद इन यादों को याद कर मुस्कुराएंगे। ये सब मेमोरीज हम कभी नहीं भूल पाएंगे, क्योंकि ये एक ऐसा फेज था जो पूरी स्कूल लाइफ का सबसे बेहतरीन पार्ट था। आई विश कि हम उन दिनों को दोबारा जी पाते।
मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया पलक पे, मुझे खाक से उठा के तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा जो रूठा तो कौन हंसेगा, तेरे जैसा यार ऐसा याराना। तेरी यारी उम्र सारी साथ है, तेरी यारी उम्र सारी साथ है। तू जो रूठा तो कौन हंसेगा, तू जो छूटा तो कौन रहेगा। तू चुप है तो ये डर लगता है, अपना मुझको अब कौन कहेगा। तू ही वजह तेरे बिना बेवजह बेकार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं। वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे।
Get ready to enjoy some amazing moves and Bollywood vibes. To present a dance performance on melodious song, I invite the boys and girls of grade 9 to come on the stage.
والله خوش رقصة يا اخي دوس دوس عندي خوش فصلة يا اخي تفوز تفوز والله خوش رقصة عندي لك رقصة قوية يا الحبيب اسمها صبوحة خطبها نصيب مد يدك كنا بتعطيها كف وهز شتفك هيل خليك شديد عطني رقصة الفريسة زيد عليها شوي عندي بيزة حق المحتر اللي نعرفه صيده سوي لي وقفة انا هيبة عيل سوي رقصة بياض يبلي واحد كرك يلا بياض طق سيارة بوليس يلا يلا سوي رقصة ثانية رقصة البطريق ولا سبت في مان يا اخي دوس دوس عندي خوش فصلة يا اخي تفوز تفوز والله خوش رقصة يا اخي دوس دوس عندي خوش فصلة يا اخي تفوز تفوز
प्रेशर कुकर जैसे सर की बच जाए ना सीटी तब तक मार रट्टा मार
ओ पटक पटक के सर गिरा दे नॉलेज की दीवार रट्टा मार
चढ़ जाए जो बुखार कॉफी से तू उतार खिस खिस के भेजा कर ले तेज यार रट्टा मार ओ रट्टा मार रट्टा मार रट्टा मार
सेलिब्रेशन नाचो धनाधन म्यूजिक बजाओ कह दो ये सबसे आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से जब को बोलो उतरे फलक से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से जब को बोलो उतरे फलक से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से നാടിൻ നന്മകനെ പൊന്മകനെ മുത്തായവനെ നിന്നും സൂര്യനും ചന്ദ്രനും ഒന്നായവനെ കാലം കാത്ത് വച്ച രക്ഷകനെ സംഹാരകനെ ഞങ്ങൾ കണ്ണനായി വന്നവനെ ഭയമേ മാറിപ്പോ നീ അണ്ണൻ വന്നാൽ തുമ്പിട്ടുന്നില്ലേ ഇരുട്ടിൽ സിറ്റി വാഴും രാജാവുക്ക് എല്ലാരും സുള്ള ഇവനെ തൊഴുവാനായും ജനത്തിരക്ക് കാലം എടുത്തു വച്ചാൽ സ്വർഗം പോലും നല്ലവള് ರಕ್ತ ಸಂಬಂಧಗಳ ಮೀರಿದ ಬಂಧವಿದು ಯಾವ ಬಿಂದುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಧಿಸುವುದು ಚಾಚಿ ತೋಳುಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಗಿದಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರತಿ ನೋವನ್ನು ತನ್ನದೆಂದು ಕೈಯ ಹಿಡಿದು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಬೆಸೆದು ಮುಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ನಡೆವ ಎಂದು ಕಣ್ಣ ಕಂಬನಿಯ ತೋರಿಸುವ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹವಿದು ಇರಲಿ ಶಾಶ್ವತ
Blaze up the walk, light it up to the beat. Come on, Jalva. Give it to me, Jalva. Give Gorgeous with attitude in every latitude. Miss Hot Booty, come on baby, do your duty. What?
जिस्मों का है ये जलवा, किस्मों का है ये जलवा, शोहरत भी दे ये जलवा, मकसद भी दे ये जलवा.
Tell him like it is. I can't hear.
दिलकश लगे ये जलवा, मैं कश लगे ये जलवा, नशा ही नशा ये जलवा, मजा ही मजा, नशा ही नशा.
Throw it up, throw it up.
आग सी रवानियां,
I know a lot of y'all wouldn't expect it.
लेती गए अंगड़ाइयां.
Yo, I'm the hottest girl around.
ये जला दे दिलों में चिंगारियां. ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा.
She got the styling in her. Not even smiling in her. She got the styling in her.
Come, come along, feel the rhythm is in the air. Shake it alone, yeah. Keep swinging in style. Move by my side as the music is soaring. Go on shouting and roaring,
Tell me, can you
dancing around.
है अदा का नजराना, हर जुबा को अफसाना, हर किसी पे छा जाना. हो ये जलवा, कर दे सबको मस्ताना. है जमाना दीवाना, दिन में दौरे दिखलाना. ये जलवा, हो किसी रवानियों.
I know a lot of y'all wouldn't expect it.
लेती गई अंगड़ाइयां.
Yo, I'm the hottest girl around.
ये जला दे दिलों में चिंगारियां. ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा.
Let me see your hands up. That's right. Hit me with it.
इसने सबको भरमाया है अजब इसकी माया. कोई भी बच ना पाया. हो ये जलवा,
Let's go.
आसमां भी दिखलाया, जमीन पे भी ले आया.
हर हर मैदान फतेह, हर मैदान फतेह, हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह.
हर मैदान फतेह, हर मैदान फतेह, हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह.
इन गर्दिशों के बादलों पे चढ़ के वक्त का गिरेबा पकड़ के पूछना है जीत का पता, जीत का पता.
इन मुट्ठियों में चांद तारे भर के, आसमां की हद से गुजर के, हो जा तू भीड़ से जुदा, भीड़ से जुदा, भीड़ से जुदा. कहने को सर्रा है तू, लोहे का छर्रा है तू, टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो.
कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह.
कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर
all, I like to thank Tuba ma'am, Anjana ma'am, and Kosa ma'am for conducting a wonderful farewell party for us. It is very memorable, and I would remember this till my future and so on. The thing is, this school has taught me every single thing, every step of how to take a forward step. And I've got wonderful friends. I would like to mention them. Likita as my first classmate, Likita, Ariz, and so on. Razain, Chand, and Noman, they have been with me for every single step and every problem which I faced in office. I would like to thank Praveena ma'am and Somaya ma'am especially because they always guide me to the right path. The way Somaya ma'am explains me the things, how to behave with teachers, that's wonderful. Thank you, Somaya ma'am. And Sharda ma'am has been with me since 6 years or 5, I don't know. But I really love the way she is with me and the way she explains us, the way she takes us class, and the way she enters the class. That's very gorgeous. And I would like to thank this Future Foundation School, especially Suim sir. I couldn't see you. Suim sir, I really thank you for being for me everything, every time, and taking us to the forward tournaments most important. Winning a cup for this school was my dream, and I did it. Thank you everyone. Wish you all luck. And one more thing, I'm jealous for next upcoming batch because you can enjoy the one every single day of school, but we can't. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone. First of all, I want to thank my teachers for supporting me in my studies, my sports, everything. They were the one who saw the courage in me. But I am also sorry because I haven't prepared for the speech over here. I'm really sorry for that. But I'm gonna say thank you for everything you have done for us. And yeah, thank you. It's my pleasure to be in this school from past 4 years. I would like to thank Sharda ma'am for giving me such a wonderful journey. And I would like to thank HM Praveena ma'am and Sumaya ma'am for giving me the opportunity to be a student of this school. I'm really great to be in this school as a student. I would like to thank my class girls. They stood as the backbone for me in every situation. I would like to thank my class boys because they, for our boarding days, they made a memorable days. Thank you very much.
I want to take a moment to thank and I want to share my experience. As we know, I came to this school for grade 9, first day of my school. New friends, new teachers, new surrounding and new learning skills. I want to thank my beloved teachers who helped me in the hardest time. And I thankful for my friends who gave me support and guided me. I wish you all a very best for your future lives. I wish you all very best of your upcoming future. Be happy and joyful. Signing off, your captain Muhammad Rayan. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today I felt very emotional as I remembered my school journey from 4th. These 7 years are the most special part of my life. I even refused to change my school when my parents suggested it because this place felt like my second home. My school just became more beautiful because of my friends Syed, Zaid, Usman, Razain, Furkan, Nauman, etc. for all this my. A special thanks to my teachers Sharda ma'am, Praveena ma'am, sir as well as Praveena ma'am for supporting and guidance and blessings. A special thanks to Tina auntie and Gracie auntie for their love and supporting for us every day. Thank you for Anjana ma'am, Hina ma'am and 8th and 9th students for preparing such a beautiful farewell for us. I always miss my friends, teachers, juniors and unforgettable memories. Though the chapter is coming to an end, and maybe in another universe we all sit in same class and make memories. Thank you. Your captain is signing, Likita.
Good afternoon, respected principal, beloved teacher, dear juniors, and my classmates. Today I stand here, my heart is filled with pride, joy, and little sadness. It feels unbelievable that the day has finally came when we have to say goodbye to our second home, the great Future Foundation. When I first walked into this school, I was nervous and unsure of myself. Everything felt new. New classroom, new teachers, and new faces. It didn't just remain a school, it became a place where we discovered who we are. The institution has truly lived up to its name. It has laid the foundation of our future. Here we learn discipline, responsibility, teamwork, respect, and the importance of hard work. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to all the teachers and beloved juniors who made this special day unforgettable. Would you say hard work towards your program was worth? I also thank our teachers. Your dedication and encouragement have shaped us into confident students. You believed in me when even I doubted myself. The values you have given us will stay with us forever. Today I am not just saying a final goodbye, I am carrying forward the lessons, the friendship, and the best memories of this wonderful place. Thank you, Future Foundation, for shaping our present and building our future. Thank you.
School is the place where beautiful memories are created. School days are the happiest days of our life. Morning assembly and the school bell brings back sweet memories. From the first bell of the school that welcomes you as children to this last bell that sends you forward as confident individuals. This sound carries years of memories. We now come to a deeply emotional moment, that is the last bell of school life for our grade 10 students. I request everyone to please maintain silence and enjoy this beautiful moment. Thank you.
Dear seniors, may this bell echo in your heart as a reminder of where you began and how far you have come. We wish you courage to chase your dreams, strength to face challenges, and success in every step of your future.
As we come towards the end, this memorable program, it is time to experience our gratitude. Now I invite Zohra Khan to kindly come forward and deliver the vote of thanks.
Respected members of the management, honorable dignitaries, esteemed teachers, and dear students, as we conclude today's program, I have the honor of proposing the vote of thanks. We express our profound gratitude to our respected management for their unwavering support, leadership, and continuous encouragement, which have been instrumental in the successful organization of this event. Our sincere thanks to our Honorable Treasurer Mr. Suheem Hussain for his invaluable guidance and constant support. We extend our deepest appreciation to our respected headmistresses, Ms. Praveena Ma'am and Sumaya Ma'am, whose dedication, commitment and inspiring leadership continue to guide us and motivate us. A special word of thanks to the Decoration Committee for their creativity and tireless efforts in making today's program visual appealing. We would also like to specially appreciate the students of grade 9 and 8 whose discipline, cooperation and enthusiastic participation played an important role in the smooth conduct of this program. Finally, we thank all teachers and students who contributed directly or indirectly to the success of today's event. Thank you one and all. Have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you, Zohra. With this, we come to the end of today's farewell ceremony. We thank everyone for being part of this memorable day and wish our seniors all the very best for a bright and successful future. This is Tuba and Anas signing off. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.